Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to restore backup in SiteGround. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is go to SiteGround, and of course I will need you guys to buy a hosting from there. So in order to watch this video and have the backup inside of your website, of course you will need a backup or a hosting at least. So just go ahead and buy this startup if you have one website. If you have a limited website, you can just choose the Grow Big or Go Geek. So now after we bought this one of these plans, here you can see all the features and you can choose whatever satisfies your requirements and your goal. After that, you will proceed to the payment and etc. and creating your account and you will be good to go. So let's say that you have a backup, or you want to restore a backup. For example, you had another website and another platform and you want to restore that backup inside of SiteGround. How you can do it? Let's go to here. So basically they answer about any questions. So how to restore backup, and basically they will answer you here. So it is pretty simple. All you need to do guys is go to the cPanel and then go to security, backups, and click on the 3 points that you find over here. And of course you will find here restore all files in databases, restore files, restore databases, restore emails, or delete. So you can choose whatever you'd like from these, and you can just like keep trying whatever you'd like. So for example, if you want to restore all files in database, you can click on this one and you can now get your database back to here. So as you can see here in cPanel, what you have to do is go to file account and create restore backup, click on full account to get your all files in database, and just like so it will get your files zipped in one file, and just like that it will be uploaded and downloaded in your PC. So like that, whenever you lost something in your website, you can just get it back from the database that you have created. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.